What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple job on the CL55. The serpentine belt tensioner is knocking somehow. I'm assuming it's from when I removed it to do the ABC pump. I removed the pulley itself from the tensioner assembly, so looks like it's screwed up now. I got a new one from Mercedes, so let's go ahead and throw that on. I'm going to show you guys how to do this job. With the engine running, you can hear the sound. Here is the Mercedes-Benz part number for any of you that are interested. And first thing I like to do when doing a job is looking at the new part so I can get a sense of how it's mounted. So if you see here, this is the 17 millimeter nut that you will use on the pulley down there to release the tension off the serpentine belt. Then you'll remove it, and you see it has a pin over here. So when you install this one, you'll bolt it down, put your tensioner, your nut on here, or your socket, release the tension and pull this off, and that's how this will clock forward and it'll supply tension to the belt. But to get off that one, it's going to be pretty hard to get something in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bolt on the one down there, since it's scrap anyways, and that'll give us access to this bolt down here, and then we'll be able to remove the assembly. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. First step is we're going to remove the supercharger belt. So we're going to put our 17 millimeter on here. It's a 12 point. It's very simple, this one. Just remove it. Now the belt is off and out of the way. All right, next up is to grab your 17 millimeter 6-point socket, little extension, and your ratchet. And we're going to release the tension on the serpentine belt. So let's go ahead and remove the serpentine belt. There we go. All right. Now that we have the tension removed, we have the serpentine belt up here out of the way. Make sure you're aware of the orientation of your serpentine belt before you get started on this job. Now we're going to use our T50H socket to remove the pulley itself. Okay, every situation is different, but you might need to counter hold the tensioner to remove that bolt. Perfect. All right, we have it removed. Just place it to the side. Now we have access to the bolts. Now we have access to the T40 bolts. Let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, now let's go ahead and install our new tensioner. Okay, you got to feel for where the threads are to install the new one. You got to put your finger around and kind of line it up. Okay, go ahead and tighten these two bolts. These two T40s, you got to tighten them up. Now we got to tighten down. Now we're going to put on the serpentine belt. Should be easy to slide on because remember, we still have that pin on the tensioner. All right, make sure your belt is on correctly. It's lined up everywhere. Now take your 6.17 with your small extension. Place it on the tensioner and remove the pin. Okay, once you get the tensioner pin released, then you got the tension on the belt. Then you can put on your supercharger belt. Very simple. And now you can go ahead and start up the car and make sure it's working correctly. air injection pumps, heating up the catalytic converters. Alright, no more knocking sounds from our tensioner. We are all good. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful or useful, please like, comment, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel grow. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.